Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, at my dear lecture. I am here to present communication process at the Mercantile Investment. This is the organization I have been chosen. So, before talk about the communication process, I will give a brief instruction about the Mercantile Investment. Actually, Mercantile Investment is established in 1968 and we have 27 branches. First branch is Negombo branch, and last month we have started Kegol branch also. So what is Mercantile Investments doing? We are actually finance company. We are doing normally hire purchases, leases and vehicle loans, etc. We have separate department for fixed deposits and also vehicle sales. So we have very loyalty customers for the fixed deposits and also vehicle sales. So who's the founder of Mercantile Investment? It's George Ondaatje. He's the founder of Mercantile Investment. Now we have established as a company, as a public quality company. So in a Mercantile Investment, normally we are under central bank. So we have non-banking financial institute. We can call as a Mercantile Investment. So when we look in Mercantile Investment, so we have communication process. So mainly, as you all know, communication is normally transferring the information. So company like us, it's very important, and I have been identified what are the communication process, and I have been identified what are the weaknesses in our communication process. So I am going to present weaknesses and what are the solutions I am proposing. So mainly we are communicating top to bottom through line managers, memos and emails. I have been located very huge failures in these things. These things are most probably success things, but we have some issues in these things. Normally directors are getting decisions and they are taking opportunity to grow up the company. Then they have to convert the message to the employees. So normally they are using they are gathering with senior managers and AGMs. Then senior managers are gathering with line managers. Then line managers come into the employees, normal employees. They are converting the message. Normally all together doing the process. So most of the time correct message was not converting through this chain because the chain was too far. So in this scenario, I am proposing. So because all are humans, the directors are expecting one thing, but the employees are getting idea about another thing. So this is a huge failure. So I am proposing in this scenario, one person, he can be like a senior manager or something, because everything is not allowed to normal employees. What are the board people are getting decisions, but the allowed things are person has to come from the board. I am not the director. It can be senior manager or some person in senior position. He has to come for the employees, and they have to gather in like a monthly meeting or once a week or something. They have to inform what are the latest things. What are the things we have to do, because line managers it's okay because top to bottom and bottom to top it's okay because line managers are most closest persons to normal employees. But the thing is, we can't imagine the correct message coming from them. And the other thing was, I have been identified very horrible thing is this memos, because most of the people have language issues because we are not English peoples. Most of the companies are using English as a mother language in the company. So management so the directors are taking decisions, then they are sending through the memos for the normal employees, and they are taking signature also. So normal employees just reading it, they can't go through it. What are they meaning? What is the actual thing they are expecting? They are just signing that they are taking, but it's not correct, because I am proposing in this case. I am proposing we have to attend one person to explain. I mean, not to explain one by one, but they have to explain what is this thing meaning, because this is important thing, because they need written document. They can't go everything with verbally. They need written documents, but somehow some person have to explain this one. I am not proposing to recruit person for a memo, but memos are normally doing by coordinators. So coordinators can involve to this thing and sort it out. And so these two things mainly my organization I'm having not satisfied about this thing, but otherwise all the things are going okay because our company top 5 list and last August we won award calling best place to work in Sri Lanka. So these the employee have satisfied, the company is going in a good way. So I am proposing develop these things and come up with the new ideas, and I am wishing good luck for my company. Thank you.